The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall Skilla. So there's a video that is circulating on social media that shows of a car that ran over a female that was unconscious laying in the road. It is said that the female is still alive, and it is said that this incident happened within the San Juan area of Trinidad and Tobago. Now, caught on surveillance camera on the 2nd of August 2019, which will be Friday the 2nd of August 2019, a female was seen walking down the road when she collapsed, and a car that was coming up ran over the lady, and it is said that the car had left the scene. Alright, now I am going to show you two videos right about now that will give you a better understanding of what happened that day, and these videos will show you that sometimes short videos can give you the wrong idea, especially if that video is placed with the wrong context. Alright, now before I show you this video, or these two videos, before I show you these videos, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in these videos, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, observe. Now this is the video that shows when the female was walking on the road, then suddenly collapsed and was there unconscious and got ran over by the car. Now this is the part of the video that shows after when the female got ran over by the car, and this part of the video shows two cameras from the surveillance cameras so that you can have a better understanding of what happened on that day of the incident. So there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Like I said, sometimes short videos give you the wrong idea. Now, the context behind the video says that a man drove over the lady, right, with his car, and it is said that the lady was left there. It was also said on the video that was on social media that persons are heartless, are a lot of things, because a lot of speculations has made due to the fact of the kind of context that was given to the video at the time. However, this video did not show the second camera, right? There is the second camera that shows when the man that ran over the lady, he did stop, right? He did stop. He stopped a little further up more, but however, he did stop. He come out of his car and he actually helped to assist the lady. All right, he was probably scared because he ran over someone, so he might be there shocked for the moment, but he actually did stop. So here I am. I always try to lead you to the right path of what's going on. I will never try to give you any form of misinformation of what's really and truly happening, viewers and subscribers. I just want to keep my viewers and subscribers up to date and post it with the real facts and the real truth. All right. So right there, I leave it to you, my viewers and subscribers. There is more things that has been said behind it. It has said that the Trinidad and Tobago law enforcers want assistance to seek this man and so on and so forth. All right. However, with what we see in this video, it might have been reported already, or it might have. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying for sure it is sure, but it might have. All right. But anyways, you don't know me, Dancehall, only show you what's going on, keep you up to date and posted. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see?
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.